Hello friends, welcome to my channel ELS English Literature Studies with Kaur Harpreet. Today my topic of discussion is melodrama, which is another form of drama. Dear friends, I have started a series on drama. I will discuss about what is drama and what are its different forms. Before that, I have already discussed about what is poetry and what are the different forms of poetry. All these are discussed in my previous video. If you're interested, link will be provided to you in the description box. You can check those videos also. So let us start with today's topic, that is about melodrama. When we talk about melodrama, first is what is literature, right? Literature is an art, and artist reads his feelings and emotions with this art, right? Most of the time it deals with the writer's own experiences. There are three genres of literature. First one is fiction, then we have drama, and then is poetry, right? Drama occupies a unique place in literature because of its immediate impact on audience, right? And what are the different forms of drama what is pre-Elizabethan drama and what is tragedy? These topics are discussed in previous video. Link will be provided to you. These two topics are already discussed. Now third type I'm going to discuss today is what is melodrama, right? Melodrama is a work with sensational events, scenes and characters, and these scenes are highly emotional, and these are designed to encourage emotional responses in the audience, right? It means horror plays. Its characters are, we can say, stereotypical roles they have. It means good versus, in it we have good versus evil situations, right? The term is a combination of the Greek malos, Greek word malos, which means song, and the French word drain, which means drama, to represent its presence in theatre, right? Originally, they were a type of musical theatre combining speech and song together on the stage, right? And they were especially popular during this era, that is Victorian era. Why they were popular during Victorian era? Because it was that time when readers loved to read about sensational characters. But the main factor is not the utilization of music. Main factor, we can say, what makes melodrama a real drama is its characters. Its characters are assigned stereotypical roles, and melodrama is the portrayal. It is the portrayal of the protagonist and the antagonist, right? It can be defined as a play that has serious action caused by villain. That serious action causes villain, and destruction of the villain, which brings about a happy resolution in the play. The hero is usually involved in dangerous circumstances, but he is rescued at the last possible moment. And when we talk about the rescuer, he is generally a benevolent character who identifies himself with the good role of the protagonist. Its characters are assigned stereotypical roles, and in melodrama, the protagonist always fights the antagonist, who is usually introduced to destroy goodness, right? But in the end, the characters are easily identified by the audience. The protagonist is admired at the last, and the antagonist is hated, right? And it is this identification where vice is condemned and virtue is applauded, right? Next, we have features of melodrama. When we talk about its first feature, that is its characters are simple in mind and are influenced by environment. Melodrama consists of conflicts and crises, but later on its audience realizes that these conflicts and crises are because of the environment, right? Second feature, we can say that it has the spirit of poetic justice. It is good versus evil. The antagonist loses in the end, and vice is condemned and virtue is applauded, right? This provides a ground for poetic justice. Its characters are, no doubt, its characters are very brave characters, but the plot is built on tension, and sometimes they are trapped, and it ends with the victory of good over evil. Next feature is about its hero. who is usually one-dimensional figure. It is hero who pursues a goal in a straightforward manner, and the opposition comes from the world around him, right? There is influence of environment. He does not always think well before taking an action. He gets involved in dangerous situation which a rational person must avoid, right? And last feature about melodrama is that it depends on strong storyline. It contains most of the serious conflicts and crises of daily life, but it lacks the essential magnitude in character, and the we can say, and the action is usually over exaggerated, right? So, friends, this is all about today's topic, that is what is melodrama. I hope you will like the content, and if you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the bell button so that you can get notifications from my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching.